Hello guys, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. In today's video, we will be checking out swing trading strategy for trading boom and crash on 15-minute time frame. Okay, if you should notice, we've been doing so many things on swing trading strategies for the past few days now. Okay, and this is going to be like the part five, part six of it. Okay, this is going to be like the sixth part of it, so that you guys will understand the way it works. Yesterday I taught us a strategy on 5 minute time frame, but I want us to see how we can even trade longer and lock up our profits while we are doing this on 15 minutes time frame. Then probably by tomorrow we will be capping up everything together, so that we will know how to trade successfully without any issue. Okay, if you have been following through with all these training courses, training videos, then definitely you should be milking the market right now. Okay, you should be milking the market right now. If not, then you should go back to the channel and watch some of these training videos, because they will help you a lot. They are going to reveal some things that you don't even know before. Okay, so that you will be able to apply them to your to your trading strategies. Okay, so that you will be able to make some profits with your trading activities. So we will be going straight into what we have right away, but before we do that, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. This is the platform which I use to share with you my ideas on how you can make some money for yourself online. All you just need to do is just to browse through my channel, most especially if you're new on this platform. Kindly browse through the channel, watch some of my training videos. Make sure you do your personal make sure you practice and perfect your skills first on your demo account before you try them out on your real account. This is very important, and if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, then you are missing a lot. Kindly do so right away. Check below this video for the subscription button, then also turn on the notification bell beside it, so all notifications, that way you will always be notified whenever I upload a new video like this. And of course, if you have any question at all about any of my videos, or probably you want to know more about my trading strategies, or maybe you would like to know more about my trading tools, feel free to contact me. My contact details are displayed on the screen, and I'll be dropping them in the description box below this video. So let's go straight into what we have right away. Okay guys, so we will be heading on to the chart right away. So this is our chart. Like I said, swing trading strategy has to do with the market's movement from one area to another. Okay, if the market is going down, you go down with it. If it is going up, then you also move up with it with that direction, and you milk the market alongside even as you are moving with it. Okay, it is as easy as that. And I said this can happen within minutes, it can happen within hours, it can happen for days. Okay, and of course it can also happen for weeks and months. Okay, so it all depends on the exact time frame you are using. The time frame will determine how long it's going to take before there will be a major direction redirect a change in the direction of the market, a major change in the direction of the market. Okay, so it all depends on that. And for you to do this, in most cases for swing trading, they use higher time frame, and sometimes the market on lower time frame can be moving the opposite direction before it will now go into the right direction that it's supposed to go on the higher time frame. So you should also learn to you should also get used to seeing reds also before it will start turning to blue. Just make sure you are sure of the trend, you are sure of your support and resistance level, which will help you to know your entry point and your exit point. Then once you are able to achieve this, then you are good. Okay, you don't need to be scared again. So I don't need to go into what I explained yesterday. So let me just go straight to 15-minute time frame. And remember, I am using my QDC scraper trading indicator. And okay, quickly I'm going to use this to explain, and you will understand how you can use this to trade this asset successfully. Okay, like I said, you move up with the market and move down with, if the market is going up, you move up with it. If it is going down, you move down with it. And that is why your trend is very important. Okay, so check out this particular asset. Okay, it shows on uptrend. Okay, so you can move up with it till the very end of the trend. Okay, this is where the trend is coming to an end, and definitely, and that is where it came to an end on this, so you can move up with it. Okay, but let me quickly explain something with the movement. Okay, before I do that, okay, you can see, like I used to tell you, if you have been following through with the training, then you will understand that the end of one trend is the beginning of another trend. Okay, so you can see here is an opportunity for you to place an order for a downtrend. Okay, so which is also ending on this support region. Okay, so you can see this is the end of, I mean, the beginning of a trend, and of course this is the end of the trend. Okay, so here is the beginning of another trend, and this is the end of that trend, which is going to be the beginning of another trend, and it will move it upward that way. Okay, you remember this is 15-minute time frame, so each of the candles takes 15 minutes to form. Okay, so which means a single spike cannot claim a whole of the 15 minutes at a go. Okay, so multiple spikes is what we form the 15-minute candles. Okay, so multiple spikes is what we form with the 15 minutes candles, and in between there are movements, there are going to be movements in between, just that we add more spiky section within that 15 minutes than the other section. Okay, so that is the way it works. So which means if you decide to milk the market with this, let's say you come in right here on this support region, and the market started moving upward. Okay, it started moving up, probably the price action got to this region. Okay, it got to this region, then all you need to do is to introduce your stop loss. Okay, is to introduce your stop loss to somewhere here. Okay, to somewhere here, just below these 4 MA candles. I'm going to use this magenta line for that. Okay, so to somewhere here, so that way you will be keeping the profits within this magenta line and the white line. Okay, so you will be keeping your profit from there, and the only profit that is exposed to the market is the one between the magenta line and the aqua blue line. Okay, let me quickly explain this on the Jamboard. Let me see if I can quickly load the Jamboard and explain it in a better way that you will understand. Okay, so um let's see, I'm waiting for the Jamboard to load up. Okay guys, I have the Jamboard loaded already. So let's say you are moving in this direction. Okay, you are moving in this direction, and this is your entry point. This point is your entry point, and you've entered already. Okay, at this point, and the market price has moved up to this level. What you do is you introduce your stop loss to this level. Okay, this is the um, current market price, then this is your stop loss, and this is your entry point. Okay, so that is it. So let me quickly use this to illustrate so that you will understand what I'm trying to say. Okay, the purpose of you introducing this stop loss is that in case there is a reversal in price action, or probably there is a sudden change in the direction of the market, which force the market to go down. If it goes down to your entry point, this stop loss will take you out of the market. Okay, with the profit between your stop loss and your entry points. Okay, it won't affect the reversal in price action to take away this profit from you. It is only the profit between the market price and the stop loss that will be at risk. Okay, the profits between here and here will be the only one at risk. If the market should go back down to this region, okay, of course you won't be in the market at that point, because once this gets to your stop loss, you will be taken out of the market immediately. Either you are trading spike or you are trading the normal trend, you will be taken out of the market immediately. So that is the purpose of you using stop loss whenever you are swing trading, more especially on higher time frame like 15 minutes, 30 minutes, even 5 minutes. You can also use this. Okay, so let's go straight into the chart again, and that is what we try to do here by introducing stop loss. So which means if there is a sudden change in direction of the market and it is going back towards your entry point, once it gets to this stop loss, you will be taken out of the market with the profits between that magenta line and your horizontal line. Okay, even though the market is still going down, you won't be in the market again and your profits will be in your wallet. Okay, and the beautiful thing about this is that as the price action is increasing, you can always increase your stop loss once the price action is yet to get to your stop loss. You won't be taken out of the market, but once it gets there, then you will be taken out of the market. And as you can see, from what we are saying, this is crash 1000. That means if we are buying, we are trading the normal trend, so which means it gives us more confidence. Most of you will be asking, of course, spikes cannot stop loss cannot save you from spikes. Okay, which is very true. Okay, you guys are right with that. Stop loss cannot save us from spikes, so that is very true. But this is what stop loss can do on this time frame. Okay, on higher time frame. Okay, the this is what it's going to do, because a single spikes on 15 minutes will not wipe off your account. It will not take over the whole of the 15 minutes. So definitely it's going to happen gradually, probably about 2 times, about 3 times before the end of the 15 minutes, which means it gives you the opportunity to keep some profit for yourself. Okay, which means if I should put my stop loss on this and this spike happen, okay, it will only take it to my stop loss. It will get to my stop loss and okay, probably push it back a bit, but it won't wipe off the whole of my profit. Okay, it won't wipe off the whole of my profit, because this is where the spike got to, and I believe a single spike didn't claim this 15-minute candles. Several spikes, about 2 or 3 or even 4 spikes happen to claim this. Okay, before the first spike will happen, okay, let's say 4 spikes, we got 4 spikes before the end of this 15 minutes. Okay, before the fourth spike, definitely maybe by the third spike, it would have gotten to my stop loss, pushed it backward a bit, and closed my trade for me, and check out my profit. Let's say it pushed it up to this level. Check out my profit between here and here. Okay, so it's going to close my trade for me with this profit in my wallet. Okay, so the only profit which I put at risk is the one above my stop loss. Okay, so which I won't have a claim on. Okay, that is what the spikes have actually claimed, but the rest of the profit will be in my balance. Okay, and will be added to my balance, and that will help me to even milk the market more. Okay, but if in case that is if the price action gets to my stop loss. But what if it does not get to my stop loss? As the price action is moving up, I will be adjusting my stop loss. Okay, so as to increase the profit margin between the magenta line and the white line. Okay, so check out, it got to this section where the trend is coming to an end, all I just need to do is to adjust this. And when I notice that the trend is changing from green to a yellow line and telling me that it will be coming to an end, all I just need to do, I don't need to waste time again. I should close my trade on this, which means I will be claiming 100% profit on that. Okay, but if I'm unable to claim 100% once there is a spike, then definitely, and the spike gets to my stop loss, definitely I should exit the market. I should be out of the market with the rest of my profit. Okay, this way you will be able to keep some profit for yourself. Don't worry, like I said earlier on, I mean in my last video, that I will create a full content, I mean a full training session on this particular trading strategy. I think just immediately after this training session, okay, the one we are on at the moment, okay, so that we will understand how to go about it. So the same thing is applicable when the market is going back on downtrend, but this time around it makes it easier because we are trading spikes this time around, and definitely the normal movement of the markets can't disobey the stop loss. Okay, once it gets to the stop loss, it will definitely take you out of the market. So you apply the same strategy when you are trading the market down to the final part of the trend. So you come in with your entry point, you allow the market price to move from here downward to a certain level, then you introduce your stop loss, and gradually you milk the market till you get to the end of the trend. And if it gets to your stop loss before then, you exit the market. I mean, you will be taken out of the market with the rest of your profit. Okay, it is as sweet as this. All you just need to do is just to follow the instructions given in this video. If you are able to follow the instructions, then you will milk the market successfully for a very long time, and this will be your major secret of successful trading activities on your platform. Okay, so okay guys, I will be stopping right here. In case you have any question at all, feel free to contact me. But before then, before bringing this to an end, I want you to do this for me. Today is Sunday. I want you to take your time to practice with this. If you are able to practice and perfect this today, it is very possible that you milk the markets for yourself during the working days. Okay, so all you need to do is to have this set up on your charts, apply every information given in this video, apply it, and try to trade the market till the very end of the trend. Okay, do this throughout the day, and let's see if you are able to make profit, or probably if there is a spike that pushed you to a negative balance. Okay, let's see if that will happen. Okay, it can only happen if you don't follow instruction. I'm very sure of this because I've done this over and over, and some of my students have also tried it out, and they were able to get positive results. Some of them are still using it till date. Okay, so you too can practice this and perfect it today. Once you are able to perfect it, it gives you an opportunity to make the market for a very long time. Okay guys, I will be stopping right here. Remember, this is coming to you called Qora Digital Cash, and if you have any question at all, feel free to contact me, and do not forget to share your results with me at the end of the day also. And of course, if you are here to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so right away and turn on the notification bell to all notifications. Okay guys, do not forget to join us later on in the day for our $500 per day trading tips for trading boom and crash. It has been an amazing, it has been an amazing program because ever since I started, so many people have been benefiting from it. Okay, today's zone will be the 70th edition of it. Okay, which means that we've been doing this day by day, every night like that for the past 70 days. Okay, that is amazing. I'm really happy that we are able to come this far. Okay guys, I will be stopping right here. Remember, this is coming to you called Qora Digital Cash. Watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless you.